Greetings. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mini junk journal or a mini notebook with one sheet of paper. I'm using this page which is from my digital printables. There's a link in the description if you're interested in this. All you need is one sheet of paper. First of all, you fold it in half like so. Then you fold it like so. Then you take that sheet and then you fold it in half. So once you folded it over, you want to open it back out. So what we are going to do is we are going to cut from here to here. So it's just the middle. We're just going to cut the middle. You just bend it over. You want to cut with and then cut across. There we go. So that's it. So when you open it, you've got you've got a gap in the middle. You're going to fold it over on itself like so. Then you stand it up like a tent. You're going to push so these two open, so it opens into a diamond like so. And as you can see, it pushes itself over. So once you open up to the diamond, it will bend over. So you close that, and then you can either take it back or you can take it this way, whichever way you feel is easy for you. You can close it up, and there you have a mini junk journal. Obviously you've got gaps here, so what you can do is you can get some glue. And then you can close it down and then find your other bit that's open like so. A pocket there. This one was already closed because of when we folded it, but you have a pocket. There we go, we have a pocket there. Then we have a pocket here, and we don't have a pocket on here because that's where it folded. There you go. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.